Today we will do a sneak peek on a GIGABYTE X399 Designare EX. This is a Threadripper based motherboard and designed for a workstation. This motherboard using the X399 chipset and the TR4 socket from AMD. Now let's check it out what is inside this box. There you have a motherboard, 6 SATA braided cables, Velcro cable strap, Gigabyte G connector, SLI bridge, T20 star wrench, 2 EC temperature sensors, 2 RGB LED extension cables, Wi-Fi antenna, M.2 screws, M.2 to U2 adapter, DVD driver, multilingual installation guide, and user's manual. We will look closer to the board. On Threadripper platform, not like any other recent AMD platform, the CPU socket type is using Land Grid Array or LGA, just like Intel board. In the previous generation, AMD had already made several LGS socket type, like socket F, socket C32, and socket G34. Here you can see the TR4 socket for installing the CPU. Based on Gigabyte official website, the CPU that is supported with the board are from AMD Ryzen Threadripper 1900X to AMD Ryzen Threadripper 2990WX. There are 8 DIMM DDR4 memory slots on the board. In Threadripper platform, the memory configuration is running in quad channel mode. For more details and information regarding CPU, memory, SSD, and M.2 support list, you can check it on Gigabyte official website. The Designare X399 board has 8-pin plus 4-pin CPU power input and 24-pin ATX power slot. Near 24-pin ATX power, you can find USB 3.1 Type-C header and Thunderbolt 3.0 GPIO header, meaning the board will support a Thunderbolt 3.0 add-in card. In this board, you will get plenty of fan header. In total, there are 8 fan headers. If you want to water cool your CPU, there are 3 pump headers available. The heatsink on the X399 Designare has large surface area. Gigabyte put 2 heatsinks on the VRM with heat pipe connected to each other. On the VRM near the I/O shield, there is a little fan attached that helps exhaust hot air from the VRM. The fan will turn on when MOSFET temperatures reach 90 degrees Celsius. This fan can help protect the VRM from overheat. For storage, we've got 8 SATA 6GB connectors and 3 M.2 slots that can run on SATA or PCIe by 4 mode. You can use M.2 SATA or M.2 NVMe PCIe with this board. Each M.2 slot has an armor or passive heatsink. The heatsink does not only chill your M.2 drives but also provide help when we install the M.2 drive by holding the M.2 screw in place. The heatsink are already pre-installed with thermal pads. Two M.2 slots right beside the PCIe slot can accommodate up to 20 to 110 M.2 drives, while the M.2 slot located next to the chipset can only accommodate up to 2080 M.2 drives. The X399 Designare board has 5 PCIe by 16 slots, and the PCIe layout are by 16, by 8, by 4 over the chipset, by 16, by 8. This board can be installed up to 4 graphics cards with 4-way crossfire or 4-way SLI configurations. POSD code display is located right near the USB 3.0 internal header. We have power button, reset button, and clear CMOS button on the motherboard. Despite having no information why the clear CMOS button is placed very close to the power button and reset switch, it does not change the button color. Just be careful if you are going to use these buttons. The rear I/O panel features PS2 keyboard mouse combo, 8 USB 3.0 ports, and the yellow ports are DAC UP2. If you are not familiar with the yellow port written DAC, DAC stands for Digital Audio Converter. DAC produces better sound than most onboard options. The white port will let you flash the BIOS on this motherboard. We also have two 1 gigabit LAN ports, Wi-Fi antenna connectors, USB 3.1 Type A, USB 3.1 Type C, and 7.1 gold-plated audio output with SPDIF optical. The ventilation you see in the integrated I/O shields is for the fan that cools the VRMs. On the back side, we can see the metal backplate. The backplate helps to protect the PCB and strengthens the motherboard. The GIGABYTE X399 Designare EX can be one of your options to build a workstation or gaming rig. And stay tuned because we will build a PC gaming rig with this motherboard. Thanks for watching and see you on the next video.